Alright, I'm getting some bread here. Here, let's grab a piece of bread. This is my stretching area. Don't mind that. Alright. Found you. Do a piece of bread there. Oh shit. Sorry, there's a bug right here and it killed it, I think. What the fuck? Where'd it go? Jesus. It's right there. Hold on. I'll grab some. Where are you? Idiot. I killed it. That little place is nasty. There's a bunch of bugs there. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's right next to the outside? Probably. Anyways, let's continue. I'll clean that shit up later.